In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Wrike. This will be a straightforward guide to help you get started with effectively managing your projects and tasks in Wrike. Let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to need to open your preferred web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable with. Once you have your browser open, type Wrike into the search bar. It's that easy. Wrike should pop up as one of the top search results, making it quick to find and access. After you've found Wrike in your search results, click on it. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. However, if you're new to Wrike and don't have an account yet, there's no need to worry. You can easily click on Try Wrike for free to create an account and start your free trial. This flexibility allows you to explore all that Wrike has to offer without any initial commitment. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar where all your existing projects and folders are neatly arranged. Take a moment to scroll through and decide where you'd like to add your new task. Locating the right project or folder is key to maintaining organized workflow management. With your project or folder chosen, turn your attention to the top of your workspace. You'll notice a plus sign, often quite prominent either at the top of the sidebar or near the header section. It's your gateway to adding new items. Click this plus button and you'll open up a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, you'll see a list of options, one of them being Task. Click on Task, which will trigger the creation interface specifically designed for new task entries in Wrike. This is where you get to exercise your organizational skills. Now, it's time to give your task a title. Make sure your title is clear and descriptive. A well-titled task is easier to manage and understand, not only for you, but also for anyone else who may collaborate with you on the project. So take a moment to compose a title that captures the essence and objectives of the task. Once you've settled on a suitable title, just press Enter on your keyboard. This final step ensures that your new task is not only created, but also saved into the project or folder you've designated. Your task will instantly become part of your project, ready for you to manage and track its progress. And that's it. You've successfully added a new task to your Wrike workspace. Remember, through consistent practice and application of these steps, managing your tasks in Wrike can become a seamless part of your everyday workflow. Thank you for taking the time to follow along with this guide.